So the third week of remote learning is complete. And if we've learned anything, it's that with the right support and encouragement, anything is possible.
Hey there, this is Martha Griffith from Watson B. Duncan Middle School. I teach 8th grade language arts, and this week during remote teaching, I learned that parents and students can be very forgiving, especially when it comes to technology and technical difficulties. I also learned that it's okay to reach out for help now and then if you need it. We all are in this together. Good luck.
So this week, I'm excited to announce that we've successfully completed our first virtual collaborative project. Students collaborated using Google Slides and they presented using Flipgrid, and it was pretty awesome.
Hi everybody, Elaine Slazinski here from Woodlands Middle School. Remember when we used to pop in that last assignment onto Google Classroom? Maybe finish up whatever slide deck it was we were working on. And then we'd pack up our bag and go home for the night. Well, unfortunately, most of us aren't doing that, and that's why we're feeling so overwhelmed. Some of us have one, maybe two computers going. I'm going to tell you right now that it's time to shut down those tabs, turn off those computers, pack up those papers, close up those textbooks, grab your water bottle, and walk away from the computer. We need to take time for ourselves. We all need to take the time that we need to recharge every night. It's too easy to just sit here. If you're feeling overwhelmed, take some time for yourself. You deserve it.
Hey, Heather here. Just a little tip that was handed down to me, so I'd like to hand it down to you guys, would be to get you guys some blue light glasses if you have any kind of eye strain. I struggled with eye strain and headaches for about 2 weeks before I decided to jump on board. The glasses I ordered on Amazon, pretty cheap. They came in very quickly, and in the last week I have noticed a major improvement with no eye strain and no headaches. So again, I would recommend getting you a pair if you have been having any kind of these struggles. I hope this tip helps.
Hi everyone, a helpful tip that I have this week is asking students for their feedback in order to improve their learning experience as well as their participation in assignments. So for instance, I found that students needed me to post the link for Flipgrid in classwork as well as in the instructions, just for those extra reminders.
My tip of the week is to be mindful of what success looks like now. It is okay to change your virtual teaching style if you're not comfortable with how it's going. You, your students, and your family are all in a state of adaptation. Keep moving forward.
Hi everyone, this is Miss Tracy. I just wanted to say that I just finished my first office hours and it was awesome. Of course I had some students come in and ask me some questions about assignments, but then other students just wanted to sit and chat, and I was perfectly fine with that. And we talked, we had regular conversation. We even talked about fruit that I don't like, and then they were like, oh, and I was like, how do you not like this fruit? And it was just really awesome and just regular conversation that I would normally have with my students in my classroom. And I really, really enjoyed it, and I could tell they really enjoyed it, and they missed that conversation that we would normally have. And I totally would do it again, and I definitely recommend it for all of you out there. Get in contact with your students, have normal conversation like you would in a normal classroom setting. I hope this helps.
Hello. I am not the type of person that likes making parent phone calls, ever. But trust me when I say that you should call those parents for those kids that have not been showing up in Google Classroom. They are not angry, they are confused, or they don't know what's going on, and they are so grateful that you're reaching out to check up on them and their kids. Trust me.
As we continue with the e-learning, be patient with yourself. We're going to get through together, one day at a time. We'll make mistakes. We'll help each other persevere and be positive, and we are all here together to help one another.
Bill Gates said that students deserve great teachers. and teachers deserve the support they need to be great. So to every educator out there right now, stepping up and helping your fellow warriors, I personally thank you. And I can't wait to see what you have in store for next week.